Alright, so we have here translation. Um, One of the easiest test questions you'll ever get as soon as you understand translation. In fact, when you get these on your test, you'll be like, yes! Right? But translation, here's the definition, just moving or sliding a shape or an object without changing any parts in quotations of the object. And what do you mean by the parts of a shape? Well, or an object. Well, if you look at any shape, right, we've got a perimeter, or a position of something, right? Like you might say this points at 1 1 and this points at a different. See, and then inside the shape we have angles. These are 490-degree angles, right? So just look at these translations. If we have a square and we translate it and it ends up like this, did we slide it without changing anything? No, because it moved over and now it's like it kind of rotated. It didn't translate really, right? So big no. Then we got a square that moves over and is another square. I kind of messed up on this size thing here because it auto makes a square, right? So this would be like a yes because it just slides over if you forgive my mistake. And then I want to make my mistake, glaring. So like, what if I had a small square and I translate it? Now it's a big old square. That'd be a no because the size changed, right? And then down here we've got a triangle and we translate it. Now it looks like this. That's a no, right? That's a get down here. That's a no, right? Okay, so advanced. Let's look at this advanced problem. And it may be advanced for some, maybe not advanced for others. But if we just look at this, the translation they want us to do is just take this square and move it 3 right and 3 down, right? So how would you do that? I was taught take any little vertex. If you have more, sometimes you just end up with a dot and it's really, really simple. But just pick any corner or any vertex of a shape and then just move it. So 3 right. So right, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. And then it says 3 down. So then from here, we're going to go 1, 2, 3 now. And then put your dot. And see, since you know this corner is the one you moved, we'll just draw the shape how it would land. And a quick test would be if we just took this, right? 1, 2, I'm sorry. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Look, it lines up. Same thing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It lines up. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Last point before we go. You don't have to do these directions in order if you're just sliding. So you could have went down first and then right, however you wanted. I just kind of try to make everything standard. Like word problem, good practice for word problems. Just do everything in the order that they give it to you. It'll help you figure stuff out. If you have problems or need help, comment in the section. I'll get back to you as soon as I can.